Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Made Easy. My name once again is Gloria Piaka, and just as I had promised you that I would be sharing with you different things regarding technology, regarding computers, today I'm going to teach you how to use some of the Google Chrome apps. So when you get your PC or mobile phone, it's automatically installed, or you can install the Google Chrome in it. And then now let's dive into what we are going to do today. So I have tapped on my Google Chrome. So since I had opened some of the app, like I opened my account, you also have to follow some steps. First of all, you need to have your email and all those things. So now that I had opened my Google Chrome account, I'm going to use Gloria Piaka. So press get it. Then you move all around up here. There are these dots that when you tap on it, it has Google Apps. So tap on it. Now today I'm going to be taking you through YouTube. YouTube is also a Google account, and let's go to it. First of all, YouTube is an app that is basically it's for entertainment, it's for academics, it's for literally everything that you need. Tap on it. Oh, my internet is slow. Let's give it a minute, it will come back. Yes, so this is YouTube. From YouTube, you can be able to view very many kinds of videos related to any content that you want. Let's say if you want to learn a new language, you want to learn how to dance, anything you want to learn, you actually just come here and you type on the so let's continue. Now on YouTube, as I was saying, it's where like you can search for anything you literally want to watch. You can even search for math, biology, for anything. So let's try to enlarge this and we search for something like how to dance, how to dance bachata for beginners. Tap on it. So you see, they'll bring for you all kinds of different people have made different videos. So you keep on, you calm down as you see now, like on shorts. These are some of these that are written on shorts are videos that don't take long. Could be some few seconds or a minute, but they don't usually take long. Like this one, you can tap on this and you watch. Now in this, in the short that you see, there is a group you want to subscribe. You can subscribe if you would like the content and you wish to like want to graphics or any kind of post that you can subscribe and like. I told you like the video, like if you want to put a comment, you can do. Share with your friends and maybe if you haven't liked the video, you share. Now, so those are shorts, but videos are these ones, these that you're seeing, these that you're seeing here. So these are some of these videos are those that take a bit longer. Yeah, you can click on it, you can tap on this, then you watch. This one is around 21 minutes. You can subscribe, see the same thing here. You subscribe, here you can like, here you can download, here you can share. Basically, there's nothing that I teach about in the
Hi
one
guys,
for
welcome back
short.
to 375
So I'm
Dance
going to
Studio.
take you a
My name's
bit,
Amanda and
some
today we
bit
are going to
higher.
be doing a
Alright, I hope you've gotten it. But all you should know is like I said, with YouTube you can actually find out anything you want. So these are all dance lessons you can check out and see. Then there are those that maybe want to learn, or even some math, more concept, how I mean understanding more concept. You just come and type anything you want. YouTube is for education, it's for entertainment, it's for literally everything. So you find any challenge, you always come here. Actually, you can even listen music from YouTube, put in any song with any title and the title of your favorite artist, and they'll always bring for you the the videos that you want. So that is basically what YouTube does, and you can also open up your own YouTube account. So well, I mean, I had already opened up mine. For your case, if at all you're a beginner, when you install, let's say on your mobile phone, you can install YouTube. You have to keep on following what they tell you. Maybe they say open an account, put your email, put this and that. You just have to do what is said as you read. And then when you open your account, you can be able to like view any other videos. You can be able to research any kind of videos you want, and then you subscribe so that you can be able to get more. So if you want to also become a YouTube personality, like someone who makes videos, posts, what when you make your own YouTube account, you can also start making your own videos. You upload, yeah. So now, like me here, I am kind of a YouTube personality also. Now that's my channel. So these are the videos that I've so far, my shorts that I've done, that I've uploaded. So you see, you you can also upload, get the likes and everything. So as I was saying, this is my YouTube channel. Like in case you create yours also, then you go to it. Let's say you want to upload a new video that maybe you made and you want to get more views and whatever. You come to manage videos. My internet is a bit slow. So when I went to manage videos, that's what they brought for me. Here is the content, analytics. That's where you see overview, content, audio, audience. Sorry. So this is where you can know, like these are the views, these are subscribers, the time they've watched. It's a lot of adventure here. So let's go back to content because I want to show you how to upload. So in case you made your own video, you can come here and upload videos. Tap on it. Then you come and select the files that you want to upload. So it will depend where did you put your file. Not like for this case, you can upload any. Maybe you put it on videos. Maybe you put it on pictures. Just keep you tap on it and then you upload. But right now I'm not uploading anything. I hope you've gotten it. So that is basically how you can upload and do your things. It's a lot of actually when you continue, you will get to learn more and more things. I hope with what I've shared today, you at least better than how you came. Yeah, thank you. That was how YouTube is, what it's all about, how to go about with it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.